Hi friends, it's Julia. I wanted to come and show you the new 10 cards 1 kit that I'm putting together. So I started out with this one from close to my heart. It's the Workshops Your Way Miss You card making kit, and it comes with the envelopes, 3 sheets of the pattern paper and 2 sheets of cardstock, as well as the stamp set. It comes with gems and these little gems here, and also this glitter tape. So this is what I'm starting with here. And so here's the kit itself. So this is the stamp set, and it's got Miss You, lots, already, heart plus heart, so much, hearts with little emoji faces, XOXO, a line with a dotted line with a heart, lots and lots, some other smaller hearts, and it says I really love you. So that's the stamp set. Here are the gems, and it looks like they're pink, purple, and green. The trim tape and the package that came with this is brand new, but because I already had one of these open, I went ahead and grabbed the one that I already had open and then stowed the other one in my stash. That's brand new. The cards that came with the kit, and I'm sorry, there's 12 in here, not 10. And then, like I said, you get a sheet of black and a sheet of white cardstock, and those are both close to my heart. And then you get 3 sheets of the pattern paper. They're all the same. They're front and back. So you get this purple pattern, and it's got a rainbow and hearts and clouds and purple, and then this border strip with all different colors on it. Then you flip it over, and it is this turquoise, lighter and darker turquoise, with this crosshatch, almost stitch looking border that goes down, or stripe that goes down it. So I have 3 sheets of that. I like variety, and so what I did was I went through my stash and I pulled some extra things in. Okay, so let me start with the extra stamp sets that I pulled in. I have all of these that say happy birthday, and this is all of these are close to my heart. This one is the Little Dreamer card, from the Little Dreamer card making kit. It's got birthday wishes, have a magical day, and then always be yourself unless you can be a unicorn, then always be a unicorn. And it's got the stamp as well as the thinlits, the die cuts as well. This one is a background stamp. It's called Ink Blot. And then this one is Never Stop Dreaming stamp set. It says Keep Dreaming stamp set. And I just thought that one would be one that would be fun to start, you know, to practice my coloring some more. And then the catalog, they show it here, and I think they actually stamped with black onto colored paper, and then also did some coloring of the other images that they placed around as well. So there's those. Let me kind of set it up here. I added in a couple of additional sheets of cardstock and specialty paper. This is just a piece of pattern paper, very thin. Don't know who the manufacturer was, but it matches the turquoise that's in the dot across the top, as well as that B side of the paper here, the darker crosshatch, but you can see it matches that fairly well. Then I pulled in a yellow cardstock, and it matches the yellow that's in the dots, and then another turquoise that matches that in the border strip. I pulled in 3 sheets of glitter paper, 8.5 by 11 glitter paper. I have silver, blue, and purple. All of that. And then I pulled in some freckled fawn embellishments. I have both of these, and you can see across the top I try to pull colors that would match across there. They may not be exact colors, but that's okay. There's something to play with, something different. Enamel dots and enamel hearts, and then these are glitter enamel. And then I pulled in these with all of these images and shapes on it that are glittered. I pulled in one of these alphabets I thought I could make at least one phrase like happy birthday or happy anniversary or something with that alpha set. This set of stickers. This set of vellum stickers from Freckled Fawn, and it has sentiments like lovely and a happy day and love this and another lovely there. And then these frames I pulled in. I thought they would be kind of fun to play with. This blue is a little bit darker, but I think it'll be okay. They're just something fun to add on to some cards. I also went through my stash paper. I pulled in some scrap paper from my stash in just some yellows. White with yellow and yellow backgrounds, and you can see just some additional yellow pieces of paper out of my stash. And finally, a couple of extra washi tapes. This one with purple flourishy type background, and then this silver glitter. And so that's what I'm going to call my one kit 12 cards. And so there's everything that's going to be in it, and not sure when I'll get it done, but I'll work on it. This is August of 2017, so let's see how long it takes me to get it put together and back up to show you guys. Anyway, thanks and have a great day.